Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm having a bit of trouble with my tripod today, so I do apologise if it looks a bit wonked. I've got an unboxing today and I thought you'd like to see it, obviously, because we're on YouTube and you all like seeing my new unboxing videos. So this is a package it come in. It's from Argos and I won't tell you how much it was. I think it was £79.99. This is the Insta one, the Instax 11 instant camera. So I'm quite looking forward to playing around with this. I haven't got any photos yet though, because I need to get the cartridge in there. So I'm hoping I'll get it very soon. But yeah, I won't be using it just yet though. It's just like if I go out with my family or my boyfriend, we can take photos and then you don't have to wait until you have to print them off. So yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you can see, because I'm about to undo this. I'm going to move this, sorry. So this is the packaging. We're going to get some scissors. Try not to show you the address. Well, I'll rip the address off so no one can see where I live. Or where my mum lives actually. I'm at my mum's. So this is the Instax Mini 11 Lilac Purple Instant Camera. It's a very nice colour. What's it say on there? So if you can read that language, I haven't got a clue what it says. Basically it says what it says at the top. It says one touch, selfie mode, brighter image with automatic exposure, custom shutter, tells you how to use it, tells what it's in it, takes AA batteries, it's got a strap with it. So yeah, let's get into the box, shall we? Why do they make these boxes so hard to undo? Pull that tab up. So that's the inside of the box. What's this? Tells you how to put it together. The I don't know what that is, but we'll find out together. So it tells you there not to open certain things, each to their own. Tells you how to, like, light sensor and the flash sensor, so not to put your finger over the flash. Basically, I don't know who would, but there you go. There's the instruction booklet to tell you how to use it and how to put the batteries in, which I will be doing very shortly, and how to put the cartridge in, which I'll be getting soon, and all that lovely stuff in there. And here, hold on, is that something else? And here is the camera. Let's get this baby out, shall we? Oh, good job that wasn't breakable. But I'm going to put the box there actually. Let's do the box up and then you can put the camera on top of it, I think. We don't need all of this. So I've shut the box up. So now we'll put the camera on top of that. I'm going to zoom in a bit though, so you can see it. There we go. So here it is. Here's the camera. It's really heavy. I'm surprised how heavy it is. It's the back. It tells you how many shots I think in it. This is how you open the back. I'll open the back for you. This is where you put your cartridge in it. I have no idea where you put the batteries though. Oh, the batteries go in here. We'll be doing that together anyway. What's this here? Oh, that's to open the shutter. I like that idea. That's the pressy button. That's the selfie. You know, I like selfies. And I'll pop that there while and this is the strap. Let's get that out of the packaging while you admire this beautiful camera. This is the strap. Very nice. So right now I am going to put these batteries in. They come included. These are these batteries. I think they're AA, I could be wrong. So let's undo the batteries. So we'll put the batteries in together. I've got the other one there as well. So I'll take it off like that. So then we have to it's so dark in here. I think I'm gonna that's better. You see what I'm doing there? Sorry, I was just looking at a text. My boyfriend just texted me, asked me how I was and all that. As you do. I'm in the middle of a YouTube video, babe. You know. Right, that's on. So we'll put this back on. This is it. Oh, it looks nice in the light. Very nice. Now I've got to try and figure out how to switch it on. Right, that's on because the light's flashing orange. Can you see it? And then yeah, that's it working anyway. So you know it works. So yeah, can't wait to try this. I'm gonna end the video there. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.